In this video we'll talk about Python program to find the even and odd numbers. Here the first statement, it's taking the input from the user and it's converting into the integer and it will be stored in the variable called the number. The next statement what is doing is, if number modulus by 2 is exactly 0, means if the number is exactly divisible by 2, in the sense if there is no remainder, then it will be considered as a even number. If there is no remainder of 1, if the number is divisible, if the number is not exactly divisible by 2, then it is considered as a odd number. Let's run and see. Here it's asking for the input 7. The number I am giving here is the 7 number, so the output should be the odd. Yeah. Now we will run and see. We'll give one more number, that is odd number, even number 2. Let's see whether it should, the output here should be even. Correct. Now we'll run one more time and see what could be the output. Here I'm giving 99999. It is even. We'll test for one more higher number, 2002. This is the even number, so the output should be even. Yeah, it's giving the perfectly fine. The output, it's working perfectly fine. So what is happening here is, here the user is entering input, so that is converting into the integer format because it is in the raw format. And next line what we are doing is, the logic here is we are dividing 2. If exactly divisible by 2, then if there is no remainder, then it is a even number. If it is not exactly divisible by 2, then we are considering it as a odd number. Thank you guys. There will be more videos following this video. Please watch my videos.